everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sumaira Anjum. This video is all about counseling of diploma. I'm gonna tell you how counseling goes on, what all certificates you need to take for counseling and all. So without any further delay, let's get started. So for me, the counseling center was MBTS Polytechnic College in Nallapadu. So it was a 20 minutes journey from our house. So we started by 8:50 or something and we reached there in time. Meanwhile, Raste mein we saw many cold storages near Nallapadu. If you don't know what it is, let me tell you. Cold storages mein our groceries, whatever we buy in markets, in malls, shopping, D-Mart malls and all will be stored in big containers, or you can say cold atmosphere, so that they don't get spoiled and they can be manufactured very fresh. So this is what cold storage is, and we saw many cold storages there. And finally we reached the Nallapadu Polytechnic College. This is the entrance of it, so I'll see you there. So basically what counseling is, you have to submit your certificates to the government and you'll be given some colleges as options based on your rank. So you have to select which college you want for your further education. So that's what counseling is. And there are a list of certificates which you need to submit. You need to submit your Polycet hall ticket, rank card, SSC marks memo, and 4th to 10th study certificate, 10th class TC certificate, and your caste and income certificates, and ration card, student's Aadhaar card, and both the parents' Aadhaar cards, your mother's bank account, first page of your mom's bank account, and 6 passport size photos. All these certificates you need to get a Xerox of 3 copies. So you need to take all these certificates to the counseling hall and fill your application. Your details will be asked. So you need to fill the application which they give you, and then you need to go to another room in which your certificates will be checked. You will get stamped on your rank card and your certificates will be checked. 1 copy will be given to the government. So you need to take 3 copies, one for the college purpose, one for the government, and 1 extra copy. After that you need to wait outside till your name comes. After your name comes, you will get a receipt of that your counseling is done. So that's it. After you get the receipt, you can take it to home and you need to submit your originals to the college whichever you are joining. इसके बाद college selection will be done some other day. One day will be for college selection, so directly online you can select whichever college you want and you'll be registered there. You have to give your login ID to your college and your name will be registered in the college. So that's how counseling goes on. This is what I did, and it took nearly 3 to 4 hours to complete the counseling process. So that's how it goes. I hope you have learned something. And after completing, we came back home and I slept for 2 hours without even having lunch, because I don't know why, I was tired I guess. So I just slept, and night I thought of studying क्योंकि उस दिन मैंने classes भी नहीं attend किए थे. That day I kept leave because of counseling, so I didn't attend my classes. So I thought कि I have to revise something, so I studied for 1 hour or something, and that's how my day ended. And I hope you'll enjoy the time lapse of this study vlog. So enjoy the video. So that's it for today's video, everyone. So I hope you all enjoyed and gained some knowledge through it. So if you liked it, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share this video to your friends who don't know about counseling and who want to join diploma. So that's it then. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.